Dear students, in this video, I'm going to explain the 15th exercise of lesson number 2. Exercise number 15 of lesson number 2. Changez les phrases suivantes en phrases interrogatives selon l'exemple. Change the following sentences into interrogative sentences according to the example. Check out the example. Tu travailles à Paris. It's just an affirmative sentence. You work in Paris. Now they want you to change this simple affirmative sentence into an interrogative sentence, a question. So, in the affirmative form, can you see the subject takes the first position, verb takes the second position. Now what you can do is, this simple sentence, you can change it into an interrogative sentence in 3 different ways. There are 3 different methods we can use to change an affirmative sentence into an interrogative sentence. But in this exercise, we're going to see the first 2 simple methods. One is the intonation method. We need to change our tone. Instead of saying tu travailles à Paris, you work in Paris, that's an affirmative sentence. If you want to change it into an interrogative sentence, write the same spelling, same sentence, put a question mark at the end and you change your tone. Tu travailles à Paris? This is a simple method of changing an affirmative sentence into an interrogative sentence. Just write the same sentence, but change your tone and put a question mark. Tu travailles à Paris? Or the second simple method is, you can use the expression est-ce que in front of this actual sentence, tu travailles à Paris. So you'll get, est-ce que tu travailles à Paris? Is it that you work in Paris? Or do you work in Paris? Or are you working in Paris? So we can ask a question in 2 different ways. One is the intonation method and the other one is the est-ce que method. We need to put the expression est-ce que. Is it that? So both the intonation method and in the est-ce que method, did you notice the subject takes the first position and the verb takes the second position. The third method is called the inversion method, where the verb will take the first position and the subject will take the second position. That we will be learning later. But now we have only these 2 simple methods. I hope you've understood. One is the intonation, changing your tone, put a question mark. You'll get tu travailles à Paris. The other one is the est-ce que method. You put the expression est-ce que in front of the subject. You'll get est-ce que tu travailles à Paris? Is it that you work in Paris? Now we're going to see the first sentence. Tu aimes Paris. You like Paris. Now how do you ask the question? Do you like Paris? So one method is write the same thing, change your tone and put a question mark. And the second method is just put the expression est-ce que in front of the actual sentence and put a question mark. Remember, est-ce que should come before a subject. So, tu aimes Paris? Est-ce que tu aimes Paris? Do you like Paris? Is it that you like Paris? The second one, vous parlez bien français. You speak French well. So, vous parlez bien français? Est-ce que vous parlez bien français? Do you speak French well? Is it that you speak French well? Third one, il s'appelle Manish. His name is Manish. Or he calls himself Manish. Now you'll be asking the question, il s'appelle Manish? Is his name Manish? Est-ce qu'il s'appelle Manish? Is it that his name is Manish? Fourth one, ta voiture est chère. Your car is expensive. What's the other method? Ta voiture est chère. Is your car expensive? Est-ce que ta voiture est chère? Is it that your car is expensive? Son père est au bureau. His dad is at the office. So, son père est au bureau. His dad is at the office. or is his dad at the office? Est-ce que son père est au bureau? Is it that his dad is at the office? So it's a very simple exercise. All you have to do is what? Write the same thing as it is, change your tone, put a question mark. The other possibility is just put the expression est-ce que in front of the subject and then put a question mark. Such a simple exercise, go through it, and I'm sure you'll be able to understand well. Thank you.